Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today I am coming back with a palette that I wanted for so long, that I just bought recently, that I showed you in my last video, I think. I'm not quite sure. But you saw it on the Colourpop makeup haul that I did. Here it is, the So Jetted palette. It was a collaboration with Kathleen Light here on YouTube. You know maybe that I love this girl. She's so sweet, so down to earth and funny, and I don't know, I just love her. And this palette, I really enjoyed the design, the story behind it, and the color story. Oh shoot, I just lost. Oh no, it's all broken. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to. Oh my god. I have no words. It's just like, it just fell. I was very cautious. Let me show you. So as you can see, it is here, here, here on the floor. Oh my god. I'm so... It's not even mad, I'm just sad. So sad. Well, you know what? Change of plan, because I'm gonna see with Colourpop if we can do something about it. So I'm not gonna touch the palette today. I am so disappointed. Oh my god, my sheets are ruined at the moment with a really beautiful and shiny green. Oh my god. So like I said, change of plan. I'm not gonna do a look with this palette. I'm gonna use the palette Miss Bliss from Colourpop, and I'm hoping that it will be better. I'm so sad. Oh my god, I waited so long to buy this palette and here it is. Just so disappointing. Okay, so the palette that I have is quite different. It's a lot of peaches, sweet pinks, sweet pastel oranges, so really pretty. It's just not what I was going for today, but never mind. So I'm gonna do something. I think I'm gonna do one side a more pink and the other one a more pastel orange. So I will begin with the color Optimist. That's my baby girl, for those of you who are new and who doesn't know that I just gave birth like 2 months ago. So yeah, that's her that you hear on the background. Okay, first thought, the shadow has a lot of fallout, as you can see, so be careful. In general, I don't mind, but this one does seems to have... Oh shoot, I forgot the base. Hold on. Oh my god, this video already. Okay, I put the base pillowies on and going in with the shadow. Oh, that's weird, because I'm putting the brush into the shadow, right? So I have some orange, I'm tapping, and it quickly disappears into thin air. So we'll see if there is some pigmentation. I'm going first in the crease. So I decided not to tap because the pigmentation was not really impressive, but it is a soft palette. I have to remind me of that, because it's supposed to be, I think, soft colors. And for the other side, I'm going in with Love It, which is a pink. And this pink, I have the impression that there is some shimmer or glitter. Yeah, I don't have the impression that it is a true matte. I can see some sparkle. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so bad at swatches. Just not even funny anymore. Can you see the sparkle? It is subtle, but it is here. I can definitely see it on the brush also. And same thing, it is very powdery. So going in on the crease. And I'm gonna bring the color in the inner corner, but like following the crease, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm just following the crease, but really going in the inner corner. Then with the more fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the color Intuitive, which is a soft peach. Same thing, very powdery. I think it's gonna be that for all the shades. And I'm gonna blend the edges. Okay, it's blending. I'm not sure I see difference on the skin between the two colors. You tell me if you do see a difference between the two. Let's see if the swatches are different or not. We have the first color that I put on the crease, and here is the other one, Intuitive. So yeah, I guess we can see a difference on my hand. Okay, on the other side, I'm gonna use the color Off Quartz, the soft pink, and same thing, it has some shimmer, some glitter, but it's different. The other one loves it. The pink, it was glitter more on the silver pinky side, and the Off Quartz, it's more pink and gold shimmer or glitter, I'm not even sure. In real life we can really see the gold and the pink glitter peeking through. I don't know if you can see it on camera. So I don't know why the oranges are true matte and the pinks one are not true matte, but okay. And same thing, I'm just gonna blend. I do have the impression that the pink side is less pigmented than the orange side. Maybe it is because of the formula, the fact that there are some glitter on it and it's not a true matte, I don't know. So you know what, today I'm gonna stay simple. I'm gonna use the color Palo Santo, which is more on the copper side but still orangey. And on the other side I'm gonna use this color. It's called Chakra to Me, and it's a pink with a lot of gold reflect, and I will go all over the lid. And I'm gonna blend, or more like diffuse. I'm gonna use all the colors in this palette, and the other two are not matte. Wow, vibrant thing. So as you can see, they're not matte, but they are not shimmery as the one that we used before. There are only two true matte in this palette, so I'm taking Wow, and I'm gonna use it on the orange side under the waterline. The pigmentation is clearly not out of this world. It's maybe the effect that they want to give. Going in with vibrant... Oh, it's not vibrant, it's vibrant. What does that mean? Which is more like a nude color. I'm gonna take the pressed glitter now, the Law of Attractions. I will try it without any glue and put that in the inner corner, in the space that we left. Okay, it's working. It really reminds me those glitter as snow, like crumbled snow or something. For liner, I'm gonna stay soft. So I'm gonna use the Biba or something like that. It's a K Beauty glitter eyeliner, and this one, it's the color 6 New York Rich. On the waterline, I used BH Cosmetic Power Pencil Shimmer Gold, and I put the mascara from Urban Decay Provision. I'm gonna use Clinique Lip Liner in the color Intense Blush, number 7. On the lips, I'm gonna use Thin Simple. It's from Sephora, and it's the color... Oh wow, it's reading so... Oh my god, it's so small. I have no idea. Okay, I'm so sorry, it's just so small. For gloss, I'm gonna use Dior in the color Lovely. I thought I was gonna put some false lashes on, but I like this look just as it is, so let me show you it close and personal. So here it is. I hope that you liked the video. I was kind of disappointed not to be able to use the other palette, but we'll see what Colourpop will say to me, and if I can change it, then I'm gonna use it. Obviously, I bought it. Like the video if you did like it, share with a friend who love makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.